My name is Sanat Kumar Singh. I have started learning data science since the month of July 2023. As a technical background, I have a technical background with a specialization in electronics and communication engineering. But I encountered somehow non-technical field. So I have a experience for almost 5 years in non-technical field. For future, I have opted to transition my career in data science or data analytics. So I have started learning this with DataLoves, and my mentor is Saurabh sir, who is one of the what I can say, one of the fabulous teacher I have encountered since my graduation done. So down the line, 5 years down the line, I would like to see myself as a MLOps engineer and managing a small team, and hopefully this will done soon. Yeah.